Hello everybody, thanks for joining another one of my videos. This time we're going to make this a short video, and this is on something called the Dark Ritual. So as you can see, I have been leveling my hero, or going through progression. I'm now at level 188, and it is time for me to reset because as you can see, I'm not really killing anything by itself in a timely fashion. It's slowly killing the different items. Yes, chests have a lot more health and it takes a lot more to kill them, but at this point I have my heroes all maxed out, and I am ready to restart to gain my souls. See, here are my souls here that once I do the Dark Ritual, then they'll become active over into this column, and this will reset down to 0. And those souls are key for progression, which I will show you in a later video. So what we're going to do is we go down here. Well, let's see, the first thing we need to do is make sure that our hero, Wrath the Merciless, is at least at level 125, because then you get this Dark Ritual right here. So once we have him at least at level 125, then we can click on this little book down here with the lightning symbol on, and then you can see here is our Dark Ritual right here. So we're going to go ahead and click that, and then it just gives you a little talk about what it does and then your benefit for doing so. So right now you look here and we get a 1,410% DPS bonus, which is really good, but don't get stuck on that because we're actually going to get rid of most of our heroes most of the time. So we'll click OK. Not heroes, we're going to get rid of our souls most of the time. So then it starts us back over at level 21, and if you remember from the previous video, that's because we have this pocket teleportation device, which gives us a plus 20 to resetting the world. And so now, when you do the Dark Ritual, all of the heroes that you had hired are no longer hired. They are back to being reset. At the end of our second episode, you may remember the video for that, we got this guy here as a reward, and so he's doing damage by himself going through automatically. He doesn't really do a lot, he doesn't progress past this much, so we've got to make sure that we are purchasing our heroes. Now that does bring me to one point that I had talked about previously is our Feral Heart. I went ahead and I purchased Feral Heart from our hero section here. You can see I still have 2 that I haven't purchased because I don't have enough gems yet. I only have 26 right now. And so Feral Heart is in this section, and I'll show you again how to get to that. It's the little present box up on the top right, and then this little, looks like a helmet to me, and then scroll down a little bit and you'll find the heroes. He's only 2 gems, so that is a good cost to go ahead and buy him. Now, as I mentioned in the previous video, you don't want to rank him up very much because it's a waste of ranks. However, he starts out here in the rare category. Is it rare? Yeah, in the rare category, and then I probably will get him up at least 1 rank to the next one, but we'll talk about that in the next video. Until then, that is how you do a Dark Ritual. Thank you for joining me.